Section 1 is the section that has me the most anxious, I'm worried about, and considered more of an extreme, and like I said, yeah, I'm letting it get in my head. I'm definitely worried I'm over my skill level on this section, and Zane really, he's pretty gung-ho about hard stuff. Hope he doesn't kill me or break me today. Say a prayer for me, friends. Well, it wouldn't be one of my videos if there wasn't some cows involved in it. And apparently, well, Section 1's been modified, the route, but apparently everybody is in favor of taking the original route that I guess, and from what I read, was going to be really rutted and pretty rough. Hope I don't die. Section 1 starts out beautiful in the plains. The rain that we've been having is definitely a mixed blessing. Right now it's kind of helped keep the dust down. Be bear aware. I do believe Montana still has the highest grizzly bear population in the lower 48 states, and we have lots of black bear as well. The BDR team just put in an alternative route because the main route has had a bunch of severe weather issues, would cause some crazy ruts and my anxiety for this section is still really high. I gotta get it out of my head. I'm my own worst enemy when it comes to challenges. Hang on.
The thing about the box motors, it doesn't tip all the way over.
I can officially say I am not a fan of sand. Well, that sand definitely was no joke. That's my first go at sand. Oh, that was a workout, people. I would hate to do that on a 50/50 or street bias tire. I wouldn't, hell no. These guys that I'm with, they make it look easy. But yeah, I did drop it once. Looks like we want to stay to the right of this mess. Saved it about 11 times. We should be through it. There might be a patch or two left. There's only...
Very slippery.
Kind of figured. Slippery. Slippery when wet. At the moment, I'm glad my bike's not any taller than it is. I'll say, it's exhilarating. And boy, it's all about line selection, that's for darn sure. I really don't know what to do here. There we go. What do you think of Section 1, which is now the alternative route, I believe?
Honestly, I was more scared of it than I should have been. I heard nothing but it was going to be scary, but also all I heard was everybody said just do it.
Yeah.
It's not that bad. You'll get used to it. Lean back and go, and they were right.
I had fun. It was great.
Tenere kicked its ass.
Yeah. T7 wins.
What do you think about the...
That GS dominated.
It did? You did good. I couldn't keep up with you on a bike half the weight.
Our plan is just wherever we fucking plan to.
That is now the alternate section. Originally that was the normal section, That's no joke, at least not for a rookie like me, man. I worked my ass off through that. Glad I did it. I'm glad I did it with people, especially better riders. One thing about with them is it kind of pushed me to go a little faster to get a little bit out of my comfort zone. The alternative section, I did have a fatality. I hit a bump and man, my horse it bucked. It really bucked. I lost a tripod. Thank God it was a $20 one, and no way in hell am I going back to find it. Now that is a pretty nice view. Wow. We're just riding off into the sky. Oh, they're cooking. Maybe I need to pick it up a little bit. I don't know. Of course, when you're out on these, be courteous of people, livestock. You don't want to spook their horses. We got a roadblock. There's a good working dog right there. He's doing his job. Both of them. Well, hello, guys. Oh, yes. I got the greeting committee. Colors are amazing. I love the orange in all this dust mixed with the green. It really is rather spectacular. Oh, that rock outcropping is amazing. Look at that. Fancy new equipment always sucks, right?
Yeah, what do I do?
How's it work? This is probably my first hydration bladder in 30 years. I always just pack a bottle and. Yeah, guys. More snow, more red rock, and some side-by-sides that are being very courteous. Good for them. We're at 9,580 feet. Awesome. Absolutely amazing. I bet you wish you were here. Wow. Look at those colors. Have you seen anything like that? I almost don't want to go ripping through here at 60 miles an hour. I am enjoying this. Just the views. It's you, the bike, nature. Well, the good Lord knew what he was doing, didn't he? He created this. This is definitely could be a fun, flowy road just to enjoy. There it is. That's why it's the Big Sky State. Beautiful. Little antelope, speed goats. Another one.
Went whoop, straight this way.
Still, we'll help you out that.
I think I got it. It's pretty solid. I just moved that
Is
rock
it?
so I can get through.
That looked like it was a pucker moment.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I have to stop and pee.
That's how a real rider does it. Virginia City, there is a gas station and a diner. Hopefully has cold drinks. I have no idea, do you? This little, well, it's a cross tube. Unless this goes over the top. Yep. That hooks on the ends like mine. Yeah, I guess. Well, now what? I don't know why I decided to help. Yeah, go ahead and pop her right in.
Yeah, that looks like it worked.
I think that's how they intended that.